Once or twice a week, I like to do a full review of Save Club and the new funnel system, show you my results, money being made, and kind of go from, I guess, for the $60 to become an affiliate, what you get. And if you have $25, how you can kind of enhance that with some salt and pepper, put some sting on that thing and just spank its little bum. And that's the little funnel thing for $25. So anyway, so far so good. I like Save Club a lot. Like I said, I've been in, I think, 31 days, so roughly 1 month, and I've learned a lot about myself. It's fun to save money. Normally, I just go to the Lego store. I'll go to, what's it called? Walmart, of course. eBay. Oh my God, that damn eBay. Hot Wheels and Funko Pop dolls and Kiss stuff. If there was no such thing as eBay, I'd have a lot more damn money. So what I need to do is save money and earn money so I can buy some more Hot Wheels and justify this Farrah Fawcett badass Barbie, 1977, styled after the famous poster. I do have the poster and the doll and the Funko Pop doll, which you can see right there. See the little blonde head? Remember Farrah on the poster, sitting there in her red bikini? Oh, hey now, hey now. And that costs money. And I'm kind of embarrassed how much I paid for that Barbie, but it's a lot. If you look on eBay, you can see. Anyway, cheers. Do you mind if I have a little drinky? Oh my God, these are good. Ghost, Welch's grape juice. No sugar and only 10 calories. And your boy here dressed in yellow better not spill grape juice on this brand new Kiss shirt that someone probably made in China, making 10 cents an hour. You're going to make a whole heck of a lot more than that, kid, if you want to join this Save Club thing, especially with my team. All right, here's my review. I like to promote 2 links to Save Club. I want people genuinely to pay that $20 a month and save money. Like, for real. You don't have to go out of your way and spend $100 so you can save 10 or 20, and then you can do a video saying, boy, I just saved all this money with Save Club on things normally I wouldn't buy, but I bought so I can make a video to make it sound like it's cool. You don't have to fake it to make it with Save Club. In my case, I got lucky. I needed to buy a lot of tires for 2 vehicles, a discount tire. I needed this purple mattress thing, and boy, those purple mattresses, look up how much those dang things are. There's expensive things out there, purple mattresses, and Farrah Fawcett Barbie doll, and tires, especially when you need 6 for a crew cab Chevy and 5 for an H1 Hummer. Okay, $950 I've saved. Your boy here dressed in yeller. I can afford to buy a yellow t-shirt because of Save Club. I like to go out to eat, and I accidentally go by Burger King, and I buy Whoppers. And I buy 2 of them because I'm a big, giant little boy. I'm 6'2", wear a size 14 shoe, and I'm about 220 pounds of just loving, touching, and squeezing. But I love, those Hummers are good. And so are the Whoppers. I just said it backwards. I like to eat the Whoppers and drive the Hummers, I think. I don't edit my videos. I don't care if I screw up. I don't care if I have a booger out my nose and I'm clucking like a chicken. I just like to turn on a webcam and show you guys what I've been doing with Save Club. All right. If you want to look into it, or if you have joined, I got news for you. ilovesaveclub.com. This will take you to this page, and you get this for $60. Right here, this YouTube video, it is hosted by our founder. His name is Charles. I call him Chuckles. Last name Moy. Like soy, like holy moly. So, but yeah, Charles, he does a good job. All kidding aside, excellent video, just outstanding. And then if you like what you see, you want more information, or you want to join, click that orange button. You're going to get an email, and open up that Save Club email, and you can join or just get the info you need. This is a technique I've done that seems to work over the last 30 days. Look at this. This morning, I already have 4 people pre-enrolled. I have no doubt that 1 or 2 will probably upgrade by afternoon or evening. What people do is somehow during lunch or breakfast, they check out Save Club, and then they like to kind of think about it. And usually by later in the evening, I always get a pop-up that says, you've got to sign up, and I like to send you an email. And this is where I go ahead and invite you to my group and Facebook group that I have, and some other things. And I'll go over that at the end of the video. But welcome aboard. if you join my group. And if you haven't, this is the back office. You can go through everything here and just check it out. You can't wear this website out. If you want good deals, see where it says my deals there or at the top. You just click my deals, and this is where you go crazy. Put in a zip code right here. I put in Salt Lake where I live. Local deals will pop up too. Search. And if you're going to Disneyland or going to another planet, or I don't know, just you need tires. You need to go to the gym and get that bod in shape, or maybe just buy some things. Like SiriusXM, I saw that yesterday. If you love SiriusXM, I sure do. I have it all over the place. All my vehicles, cars, trucks, my radio station here and at home. Save money. Why not? You're going to get SiriusXM anyway. You might as well save moolah. Just scroll. It'll take you hours to go through all the deals. But the best part is you're probably going to save more than $20 a month on things you're already buying. That's why I love Save Club just as a membership. I'm not embarrassed. I'm not trying to sell Tupperware for $80 when it's worth $5. I'm not selling you shampoo or conditioner like an MLM. But I love this type of pay plan. And this is how I like to present Save Club now. And I'm going to show you right here. Let me put my business cards back up. Now, I love saveclub.com. That's what you just saw. You saw my capture page. You see Charles, our founder, talk for a little bit. You have that capture page where you can put your info and open up that email to join. Now, with the funnel system for $25, it just takes its time. It just says, hey, let's sit on the back patio in the warm sun. Let's get a nice cold drink. And let's take our time for 20 minutes instead of 6. 20 minutes. I call him Money Melvin. All right, well, our CEO is Charles. I like to call him Chuckles. But Melvin, he hosts a 20-minute video where he discusses things about Save Club in greater detail. He shows the cell phone when you go to a restaurant, how to pop it up and get savings. Explains the Save Club pay plan, the compensation plan. Because you want to know how much you can make. There's 5 ways. And believe me, it's worth your while. Otherwise, you wouldn't see me doing videos every day. Especially, I think I'm at 150 videos just in the last month. So I'm averaging about 3, sometimes 5, sometimes even more YouTube videos a day. But I'm a big fan of the funnel system, Save Club funnels. So remember, the normal funnel system is this, and this is fine. But if you think you're out of ideas, or you might need a little bit extra something, there's nothing wrong with going to this page. saveclubfunnels.com. You don't have to do it. It's $25. Just go ahead and put your email address in this little box and hit show me the video. And you get this exact website. This 20-minute video by Money Making Melvin. I call him MMM. There's 3 M's. Money Making Melvin. He explained, it's just in greater detail. All right, I can explain it all day long, but you know what? Just click play and watch. And if you want to join Save Club, do you notice where now, yes, it diverts back to where you sign up? Pretty cool, right? So if you're in Save Club already, awesome. But if you've already joined me or someone else, don't worry about it. The funnel system is available for everybody. Just click the right button that says get the funnel. Watch Money Making Melvin talk one more time here for a few minutes. And then, yes, if you're for sure totally to the max, going to want the funnel, it's only $25. And next month, if you want it again, great. If not, don't worry about it. But at least try it. It's working for me. I've signed up now 15 people in 13 days. I'm averaging 1.25 people. That's right. People's heads join, their arms, sometimes their legs, not the whole body. But my gosh, to get 15 signups, that's for Save Club. Now, with the funnel system, I just reached number 39. And you know, this company pays me $20 times 39 people. And I think it comes to like almost $800. And it's recurring. So if everybody likes the funnel system month after month after month, I get $20 per person. You have the same thing just presented right there on the screen. This exact funnel system. All you're doing is putting some videos in front of what you get for $60 when you become an affiliate. It seems to work for me. I think you should look into it, and you can change any of these funnel pages. You can change the colors and the wording, but right now it seems to work, so I just leave it. But the funnel system, boy, I think it's just amazing. Here's one of the best parts. If you're going to get brain fog, if you're going to get a little stuck and you don't know what to post, pictures, videos especially, We have everything already made for you. I have 2 websites. They're exclusive, invite only. 2 Facebook pages, 2 Save Club. I want you to join both because you're going to meet a ton of people and learn a lot of stuff. But I also want you to get free videos, free banners, free pictures, everything for all types of social media, little videos for like TikTok or Reels or stories where they're mostly like 15 seconds, but we have 30, 60. They're ready to go. They're done for you. All you got to do is just put your link to your Save Club business and get people signing up as a member and an affiliate. Right now, doing this system, it's put me number 7 in the company. So you can see right here live, if I scroll down, it says leaderboard. And I think I'm number 7 right now. There we go. I got about 86 people already signed up. And I want to help those 86 get 3 or 4 or 5 people. Get my group to 250, 300, 500. I make more money. And with the compensation plan where you get generational bonuses, it's nice. Once a month, you can get something from everybody in your downline 5 levels deep. Boy, count me in for that. So if you make more money, so do I. And if I make a little too much money, my spillover might trickle down into your pockets. But let's just focus on you getting in, at least to Save Club or getting my funnel system. I really want you to join. I hope you join my team so we can go through all the deals here and just save, save, save. And then, of course, I want you to fill out this form here, click the button, get yourself a nice email, and let's have some fun. This is not heavy lifting. This is just inviting people to watch short little videos and saving people money. Someone invited me. I signed up. He's pretty darn happy I'm in his group, and we have a lot of fun. Very social. If you like to meet people online, this is going to be pretty cool for you because you're going to meet people worldwide. And if you don't want to, you don't have to. But if you go to our Facebook groups, we have like 3 Zoom meetings per week. We have one on, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I record most of them. So I just put them on my YouTube channel in case you can't watch them live. Most people don't watch live Zooms. It's too hard because you're at work and you got life going on. And don't worry about it. We have recordings of everything that we produce to help you market and get people to save and how to join, how to be an affiliate. $60, that's it. The first $19.97 comes to $79.97, and that's it. And if you want the funnel, click that red button, and that's all you got to do. It's very, very the same thing every day. And if, like I said, if you don't know what to post or what to say, don't worry, we do. You don't know how to make pictures or banners or especially video, we already have tons made. You know, every week we have such a powerful group right now that our members just make stuff for free. They're like, this is so much fun. Here's some new videos. Here's some new pictures. Everybody can use them. Mix them up a little bit. Or if you know how to make your own, awesome. But if you don't, I think you need to join my group. I specialize in people with 0 experience. There's always going to be gurus out there that have 5, 10, 50,000 years of experience. But I find to have my best result with people that are brand new, and that might be you. You might be shy, you might have 0 experience, and that's okay. I think you have a better shot than if you've been doing this 20, 30 years and you have kind of a know-it-all, like, oh, I know what to do. Back in 1974, man, I kicked ass in Tupperware. New Skin in the 80s, and Isogenics, and Herbalife, and Avon. There's all these MLMs. Well, don't have an MLM mindset. This is where you join and you save money. And right now, the company's willing to pay you through an affiliate versus giving the Kardashians or celebrities or wannabes or sports figures money to try to convince you to join something. All I do is invite people to watch short little videos. And boy, I'll take some of that Kardashian money. And right now I've made about $4,000 in 4 weeks. I've saved 900 and something bucks just on savings. And this funnel system has made me about $800 as of today. And it'll grow probably to $1,600 to $3,000 to $4,000 to $5,000 a month over the next few months by people enjoying the only funnel system. All right. That's in Save Club. Plus you can, if you want to pay for traffic leads, and that's okay, but you have to do it through the funnel system. You can't do it through the bone stock capture page directly from this company, Save Club, because it'll there's always a chance of scumbag bots and just crappy leads and autoresponders with fake IP addresses. And all you do is have all these fake leads and clicks, but they don't equate to crap. But if you go through the funnel system, there's so many loops you have to do. You have to click this, fill out that, do this, do that. Scumbags, they can't put up with it. So go through the funnel system if you'd like to buy some really good traffic, and we'll see what happens. But so far, so good. I've made $4,000. I've saved 900 and something bucks. I have an extra 800 coming in through the funnels, and that is just 30 days. I'm actually on day number 32, so I'm in my second month. But after 32 days, I'm very happy with this. It's legit. There's billion-dollar companies already inside the Save Club. It's nothing more than a Groupon, except Groupon doesn't have an affiliate side. We do. We're worldwide. I can't even say it. All right. Are we going to have millions of deals all over this planet? We will eventually, but we officially kick off June 1st, and today is the 29th. So in 2 days, we're going to say happy birthday. You were just born. You're 1 minute old, Save Club. And then after a few years, we'll see how big this thing's going to get. But it's predicted we're going to sign up about 1 million people per year. 100, I don't know, maybe 80,000 a month. Wouldn't that be nice? 20,000 people per week. And they can only sign up underneath affiliates. And right now there's hardly any because we're new. So if you're going to be an affiliate for that $60, you need to join now. Bigger teams, bigger groups are being made right now because there's only so many affiliates out there. And we need that to be you. I'll help you. Don't worry about it. You're not going to be on your own. Just get the $60, please. Get the $19.97. And I hope you look into the funnel system too. Get it all. Let's just get y'all set up. And I recommend you do what I do. Recommend 2 links. And we'll see what happens. But it shot me up to number 7 on the leaderboard. I have no doubt I'll be in the top 5, top 4. I'm going to zoom right by everybody that is kind of stalled. But I don't stall. I'm a machine. I can make videos all day. I can post. I can TikTok. I can do a lot of cool stuff. And I email you everything I do. And everything I do is super cheap. I don't do high-end, crazy, expensive stuff. $25, $22 for Vistaprint business cards on your screen. $12 for a custom domain like ilovesaveclub.com from GoDaddy. And it's only $80 to join. So for literally $100 to $200, you've got one badass opportunity in front of you. So let's get going, okay? Especially now since June 1st is a couple days away. But if you're watching this video after June 1st, don't worry. Don't worry. There's plenty of room. Guys, we have to sign up another 1 million people over the next 12 months, and that's going to be you. But we need affiliates, so those 1 million can sign up underneath people. I want it to be you. Pretty obvious, right? Okay, I'm going to just expand myself so you can enjoy my bright yellow shirt that looks so cute with my little Kiss demons on there. Yeah. I'm a big rock and roll guy. I think you can tell. You guys have a good day. Get a hold of me if I can help you. If you're already saved in another Save Club group, don't worry about it. You signed up underneath someone else, it's okay. Let's just see if we can maybe give you the funnel for $25 and get you some traction. And we'll let you into our private invite group because you are a Save Clubber, a Save Clubbee. Let's save money, but let's help each other. You have good ideas, let me know. I'll make a video about it. And if I learn anything, trust me, you can ask my friends of 40 years. I'm a blabbermouth on video. If there's something out there that's going to help you, you can bet your butt I'll be the first one to make a video and upload it to YouTube channels, okay? All right, thanks again, guys, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you take care, and here comes my next video, usually popping up by my head at this time. We'll talk to you soon, okay? Take care.